Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Breaking news bafethu, iBafana Bafana izodlala first game ye-FIFA World Cup next year la izodlala khona neMexico. Mexico siyazi ukuthi one of the hosts yalaphana ku-World Cup because of bahosta iCanada, USA neMexico. So i-first game nge-11 June. Lento ingikhumbuza i-2010 FIFA World Cup bafethu because of this was the first game and iBafana Bafana yahluleka ukushaya iMexico at home. iBafana Bafana I think i-opportunity yayo lena bafethu ye-revenge kuthi sadraw 1-1 at home manje nathi sifuna ukunibonisa ehome yenu ukuthi singakwazi ukukholektha ama-points. It's gonna be very interesting. Sikhumbule ukuthi akusi Mexico kuphela bafethu edrawe laphana noma ekusame draw neBafana Bafana khona ne-South Korea and then bazolinda ama-playoffs walaphana e-Europe bafethu phakathi kwe-Czech Republic i-Ireland, iDenmark ne-North Macedonia noma yini leya country leya bafethu ya but yiwo-ke ama-teams already siwazi ukuthi Mexico, i-South Korea then-ke ama-European playoffs. Mawubheka i-South Korea ama-team a-strong but-ke awekho that strong ngaleyo ndlela. Bafana Bafana inayo-ke bafethu i-chance to be honest ukuthi ikwazi ukuphuma laphana kuma-group stages but konke kulele kuyo. Mawuyibheka iMexico ke yaba nama-superstars bafethu, super talented players adlalele o-Barcelona, o-Rafael Marquez, o-Chicharito but-ke in recent years akusaseyile Mexico leya before ayisadumanga kakhulu in terms of ama-players. I remember ubani uDos Santos laphana 2010 FIFA World Cup but yeah, I don't think iMexico i-team iBafana Bafana engayisaba to be honest. Siyazi ukuthi ibhola lase-Mexico li-more advanced because of bona badlala e-Europe badlala li-more physical futhi ibhola lakhona and then eMexico balithanda kakhulu ibhola but iBafana Bafana ingakwazi ukulwela-ke kule game eMexico to be honest. And then kune-South Korea, i-South Korea nama-player bafethu Osone could be his last World Cup. Khona nabanye ngibabona ku-Bundesliga laphana baningi different parts of players from different parts of the world laphana e-Europe abadlala kuma-different leagues aba-talented kakhulu but noma sibabheka i-pedigree yabo bafethu ayifani phela nabo-Argentina the best teams in the world. Bafana Bafana mangazama ukuthola i-draw eyodwa ne-win iyaphuma bafethu kule group le but it's gonna be difficult than any other competition i-World Cup at the end of the day bafethu iMexico izofuna ukushaya i-statement win laphana e-home njengoba i-first game izodlala laphana eMexico City. Kaze uHugo Broos angakwazi ukwenza i-history na ukuthi aphume kuma-group stages. Sikhumbule ukuthi iBafana Bafana the last time belaphana kuma-group stages noma beku-World Cup at home bahluleka ukuqualify to ama-knockout stages but this time around ku-different. Hugo Broos at the helm unabafana bakhe laphana Oswenapolis aba-strong kakhulu. So bona I think enye into esingayibheka bafethu baningi kakhulu abantu ababukele le draw lena uthola ukuthi abanye abekho ku-AFCON abaselekthwanga but they wanna go to the World Cup, they wanna have that feel ibuzz. I-World Cup sikhumbule bafethu ukuthi ibukela abantu billions and billions yabantu ababukela i-World Cup. So yeah, it's a big tournament to say okuncane. It's a big tournament. Bafana, do they have what it takes to go out? Yes. But into esimele sibe proud ngayo bafethu ukuthi iBafana idlala ngama-local players amaningi. Siyazi ukuthi abaningi abaselecthiwe laphana ku-AFCON be-Pirates and then-ke number 2 team i-Sundowns nga-5. Even uMiguel Caroso ucommentile ngalento leyo ukuthi why behlile laphana abadlali be-Sundowns abadlala ku-national team wakhala ngokuthi abadlali abaningi badila nama-injuries. But yeah, nge-11 i-first game bafethu lama-dates angikhumbuza futhi nange-World Cup 2010 nge-11 June badlala neMexico, nge-18 June bazodlala ne-team yase-Europe ezowina laphana ama-playoffs and then-ke i-match yabo yokugcina nge-24 bazodlala ne-South Korea. Siyokhala bafethu kuyoba nzima kakhulu laphana cause World Cup njengoba bengishilo. Oswenapolis, Rile Mofokeng, Ronwen Williams siyazi ukuthi labo uTebogo Mokoena labo ba-guaranteed ukuthi vele bayaya ku-World Cup laba engibabalile. Khuliso Mudau mabangaphazamisekanga laphana anything can change. Siyazi ukuthi second round of the season abafana nje bonke laphana ku-Betway Premiership noma ku-PSL bafethu kumele bamisele bacabange ukuthi i-chance enkulu le enga-change iy'mpilo zabo if bangakwazi ukuselect-wa for i-World Cup. So noma ngabe iyiphi i-chance abayitholayo ukuthi ba-represent iBafana Bafana or bona balwe laphana kuphethwe i-Premiership, you never know ukuthi kungenzekani bafowethu. So they have to work really really hard ukuthi bakwazi ukuselecthiwa for i-World Cup. But yeah, bambalwa esibaziyo ukuthi for sure bazoselecthiwa if ama-performance wabo awayi phansi. I think the big one esingakhuluma ngayo uMbekezeli Mbokazi ulaphana ujoyine i-MLS. Sazi ukuthi ama-chance wakhe e-World Cup uthi angakanani, nanokuthi uzodlala na lapha ku-Chicago Fire umfana. Siyazi ukuthi unayo i-fire uMbekezeli Mbokazi, but new environment, new system, uzokwazi ukusurvive. Kusuye kuphela iplayer liselimuvayo, khona abanye abakuBafana Bafana esinga-expect ukuthi bamuve just after i-World Cup or before i-World Cup ngoJanuwari. But I think abaningi bazolinda bafethu, ama-agents wabo kumele ahlakaniphe alinde i-World Cup ukuthi let's say u-Apollo if uperforma kahle kakhulu ku-World Cup size iBafana Bafana let's say iziya kuma-knockout stages, then ama-prize tag bayakhuphuka because of babonwe abantu abaningi nama-agencies amaningi. I think abashaya i-jackpot bafowethu yilaba abasayina uMbekezeli Mbokazi before aya ku-World Cup. Bahlakaniphe kakhulu laba be-Chicago Fire ukuthi bakwazi ukuthola uMbokazi before i-World Cup. uRelem Mofokeng ingazi i-World Cup izomenzelani, izoyitshintsha kanjani impilo yakhe, ukuthi maybe abantu abaningi bazombona ukuthi nangu lo mfana esike sambheka udlala i-World Cup, bakwazi maybe ukumnika ama-opportunities kangcono. Sazi ngempela bafethu ukuthi iyozala nkomoni laphana ku-World Cup. Hugo Broos mekhuluma wathi i-last competition yakhe lena yokuba kuBafana Bafana noma yokucoacha after i-World Cup uzo-retire. Uzokwazi uku-retire? Sobona, kuzobonakala after i-World Cup bafethu ukuthi